Ebusia for your science so ehia biomunim say ehia say wo platform where so na enyoma ekoso e celebrities ne on celebrity gossips any latest update ekoso wo camp and IDB Abramo e platform we so na send their science so ehia me the update Abramo concerning Stonebwoy ni show ekoso the beam concert any can promise the way Sarkodie etumi pass it through support these both artists. Sarkodie pass it through surprise Stonebwoy. This same Sarkodie sign pass it through surprise can promise to me that Sarkodie has really taken a top. And this show was very nice, starting from Stonebwoy's side. Fameye and Kofi Jama, they came in to brush through. Now, in fact, it was very nice. Stonebwoy today shows share so or performing in Numbebre near the busy signal was there, and guys, it was so crazy. Yes, Embrano, mess also Bejimre, yen share videos no kakran kakra, Embra, yen share intro Fameye. Eba perform me any baby Kofi Jama also babe perform me and yen shembra. So aside this video went on Stonebwoy eba performing in top seed and a top seed no one guard or babe performing no so yen share video no kakra enye den embra. So this Stonebwoy performing top seed and one guard. So aside Stonebwoy performing top seed and one guard no, in the who says Sarkodie came through. And go share Sarkodie performance on any Stonebwoy performing our stage so nyonko shembra.
Everybody, I just come off my eye because I see many times this song. La 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 lo, la 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 lo. Yes, come on. Wow. Hey, you're shouting at me, can you hear it?
So this is a video where Sarkodie come join Stonebwoy for stage. This is a surprise one. and a surprise man who pull it up on stage. But in fact, Sarkodie really did well. Wamba Stonebwoy in kwa show, he really continued on. It was working promise, and the show no so Promised Land show no so. But before we get into Promised Land show no, Busy Signal was in. Busy Signal by na ebusia nkotie Busy Signal no so ne performance or the backstage no yen kon share no so enye den embra. Ebusianfo said I'm here, so the show was actually a bang. Stonebwoy organizing this show, say we're organizing for a lot of years near the day. You see, the thing if the starter man, as time goes on, then we have more experience. Who said this one? I quite to say like they've done it and they are be simple, be their mom, and they were able to do it and do it perfect. In Tebusia. Yeah, the Busy Signal and the performance way air to and air twice over the camp of King Promise. Yesterday there were a whole lot of stories with the big crab Brem Waha, say show Nishasia, and people were not coming and a whole lot of stuff. But the show really came on. Show ne baso, King Promise the apology biba betuja, and aside apology no. Sarkodie came in with this amazing performance to surprise King Promise on stage. Ebusia, I know see your concussion video no, enye day, embra.
What's in the near? Me and my dear. So what the mammy? And I must show. My mania will come here. Between no mother Christ and Sunday, and the touch your mother will do. I cook on water glass and I was soup. Now, yeah, Baba, yeah, the soup. We'll do come on what I'm starting in the room. We're packing the room. Ama, maybe people will feel the water you're in. The drop what I am in the carry. This time, a funny water will be another yard.
Ebusianfo said I'm here. So yesterday the show actually went on, and say both artists, King Promise and Stonebwoy, they really did their best. Say show no really came on, and it was very nice. And Sarkodie too did his best, brushing through all the shows. Why are there? I don't know whether Sarkodie can call Stonebwoy there first, and Sarkodie can call King Promise there first. But in all, no. Sarkodie really did his best, because the connection he has with both of them, no, there's no way to choose Baku. This is what we call friendship, total friendship. Ebusianfo any update I'm in comment box nimu. Subscribe to your channel way Fameye and like it, na share for your latest update. Peace out.